Those 2 seats at the bar are free. Please, sit.
No, you sit.
Thank you.
What is your name?
ProsperBe. What is your name?
Angel Investor, but you can call me Angel.
What's up, ProsperBe? What you want to get today? The usual?
Hey Sarah, how are you doing today?
Doing great. Who's this nice guy with you today?
Oh, sorry, this is Angel. We just met.
Angel, nice to meet you. What would you like to order today?
Just coffee, Sarah. Thank you. I see you're well known here. You come here often?
Yes, this is the best place in town. My office is close by, so I come here a lot to get my lunch.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a startup.
What do you mean by a startup?
My job is to connect freelancers with unique skills to local businesses and customers.
Sounds interesting. Tell me more about it. So how does it work?
Here's your coffee, Mr. Angel.
Thanks, Sarah.
And here's your usual, ProsperBe.
Thanks, Sarah.
B, if you need anything else, you know what to do.
Thanks, Sarah. So, you were interested in knowing how everything works, yeah?
Yeah, you've got me curious.
Let me share something with you that you may already know. A lot of local businesses are spending a lot of money on online marketing to promote their businesses, right?
I know. I spend a lot of money a month on online marketing.
Before I go on, tell me something. Why do you need to spend so much money on marketing your business?
I don't know how to promote my business online. There is so much social media that I don't know where to start. I don't know where I can get all the pictures or the videos of my work and use it to promote my business. I just don't know.
You are right, Angel. It is difficult. You can't do all that work by yourself, but I can help you. Well, today is your lucky day. You will find out about the best marketing startup tool that will give an easy-to-use control panel to promote and market your business online for free.
Where are you heading now? I want to speak to you further.
I want to invite you to my office, Angel, and show you exactly how the program will work for you to make your business stand out from the competition.
It was nice to meet you, ProsperBe. I'm really interested in this program. I will call you soon.
I will wait for your call. Excellent. Speak soon, Angel.